Hey guys, Sarah here. Everybody's here as usual. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for June 2019. This box is $15 a month. You get full and travel size products in here valued between $50 and $90, and new members always get a beauty bonus in their first box. As always, when I'm opening this box, if I don't know if something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box to find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. So if that sounds good, stay tuned and let's open this box. Okay, so once you have this box open, it looks just like this. We got a couple things right on top this time. We have a $20 gift for BaubleBar.com, which sells like a bunch of like costume sort of jewelry. If you want the code, it says $20 off your full priced order if you use the code Allure IH3I1. There's that. The next thing is the little book that we always get in here that tells us everything we're getting in here, as well as their full size values. Let's just see what we have. Okay, so this month's bag is like really gross, look like neon green. I don't like their bags. I wish they would just not put a bag in here at all. I really hate that. I feel like I have to keep this and I don't like it, and I can't like throw it away. I don't think I can recycle it. I just wish there'd be no bag at all. If this is the bag we're getting, I prefer no bag. That's just me personally. But there are a couple things on the outside of the bag. So the first one is by SGX NYC, which I'm fairly certain is cruelty free. This is the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. There's that. So I guess it's saying dry shampoo meets hairspray. I don't know why I just sniffed it. I don't even know why I shook it up. It smells pretty good. I don't really need to wash my hair right now, so I don't know why I'm doing this. But it feels nice. It feels more like dry shampoo than texturizing spray. So I kind of like that, because sometimes the texturizing spray can leave your hair like feeling like it has product in it. So I kind of like this as like a little in between. I definitely will give this a try, and it's full size. I don't think it's on here. No, they don't have the value on here. So it's a new product, just as all it says on the back right there. So got that. The next thing is in this little bag right here that says Beauty Loot. I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know why this is in my bag. It's not in the little card. Oh, this says thank you. We hope that you enjoyed this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. That's cool. I wonder why they did that. So inside here is a mask from Caudalie, which is not cruelty free. It's a detox mask. And I'm assuming it's clay. It says it tightens. I won't use that anyway, but there's that. It's a pretty decent size sample, I'd say. The next thing is also something I'm not going to use. This is a Neutrogena makeup remover. Just one in here, which is, it's just funny to me. I don't know. It's funny. Let's see. The other thing in here is from Glamglow. Again, not cruelty free. So this is, come on, there it is. The Glamglow Supermud Clearing Treatment. Again, another clay mask as well, I believe. I could be wrong. I'm not going to open it anyway. So that stuff will just be going to a friend or in a giveaway. But that was really nice of them to include that. Even though it's stuff I can't use, like, that's really cool. I was not expecting that at all. Okay, so back to our regular scheduled programming. Now we're getting into the actual bag itself. And the first thing I'm seeing is from Floss, which I've never heard of this brand. My new favorite lip gloss in the shade Yule. Oh, it says never tested on animals right there. Like that. Let's see what this is. Oh, good God. I don't think I would use this. So this is what it looks like. It's clear / pinkish I don't know what is this? Let's get our handy dandy little guide here. Okay, so it says it's a thin formula and feels lightweight and comfortable on the lips. Maybe I will give it a try. It says it doesn't make it sticky. Let's just give it a try. Smells like cake. I have lipstick on, so maybe this isn't like the smartest idea, but I also have no mirror, so I'm really living on the edge over here. All right, let's see. Zoom in real quick so you can see the gloss. So, not like super shiny, but not terrible. So I have like almost no makeup on today. But not bad. All right, sorry about that. The lighting may have changed, the angle probably changed. My battery died, so I had to charge it, so I ate dinner and fed the dogs and did all that stuff. So now I'm back. So let's continue on where we were. Okay, so after the Floss lip gloss, the next thing I am pulling out is from Avene, which I've not heard of this brand, so I'm not sure if they're cruelty-free either. This is the Thermal Spring Water, which I don't know what that means. Let's see, let's look at our little book here. So this is a hydrating facial mist. So I guess it's like when you're hot and you just need to cool off a little bit, you spray this on your face. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't know if it's something I would particularly use, but I do live where it's very, very hot, so I will give it a try and see, like, I guess if it makes my makeup run or anything like that. But yeah, so I got that. And then the next thing I got is from Context, which is again another brand I've not heard of. This is the Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Again, I don't know if they're cruelty free, but I'm sort of intrigued. I want to, oh, it's coming out. So here's what the packaging looks like. Just like that. Trying to see if it smells like oranges. It doesn't really smell like anything. It doesn't feel like a real serum-y sort of eye cream. It's like in between a lotion and a serum. Well, maybe it is more like a serum. It is a little bit serum-y, and that's the only way I can describe it. So yeah, if it is cruelty-free, I definitely will give it a try. Yeah, so there's that. Let's see, I have two more things in here. The next one is Moroccanoil hair treatment. You know, I've got this before and I've never used it. I really just, ew, it smells kind of musky. I just don't put a lot of oils in my hair. I don't know, my hair, I just don't use oils in it. I don't know why. It's just not something I've tried. So maybe now that I have another one, I can give this to a friend and I can use the one I have. Pretty sure it is cruelty free, otherwise I don't think I would still have it. So there's that. Okay, one more thing. So this is from the BrowGal, and this is an eyebrow pencil in medium brown. The BrowGal is cruelty free, so here's what it looks like. So on this end it's got the spoolie right there. And then on the other end, which this is kind of cool, so here's the pencil. It is a dark brown, but then it's also got the little sharpener right attached to the lid, which I think is really cool. I'm not going to use this though, or swatch it. I just don't use eyebrow pencils. I'm like, pomade is where I'm at, it's where I'm comfortable. I got it down where I can do my eyebrows in like 5 minutes, and so I just prefer a pomade. I feel like pencils just take so much longer, so I'm just not a huge fan of them. So I'll probably just go ahead and throw this into a giveaway or give it to a friend. And so yeah, let me quickly go over the values of everything since I sort of forgot to do that. So the SGX texturizing / dry shampoo had no value listed. The Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream, the full size of that is valued at $35. And this might be full size, I'm not sure. Let's see, the Floss, my new favorite lip gloss, is $16. I believe this is also full size. The Moroccanoil hair treatment, the full size of this is valued at $44. The Avene face mist, full size is $18.50. And then the BrowGal, I don't know why I say it like that, the BrowGal eyebrow pencil, $23, and I believe this is most likely full size. So, in general, this wasn't my favorite Allure box. I don't know, it just wasn't. I don't think there's anything here I'm really excited about. Maybe the dry shampoo, just because I do enjoy dry shampoo. But everything else I'm not too excited about. So just a, mediocre month, in my opinion, for Allure. I'd love to know your thoughts. If you get this box, let me know what you thought of it, and if you like my box. Again, the little samples that they sent me, like as a thank you, I thought that was really cool. Like I said, even though I'm not going to use any of them, I just thought it was really cool that they included that in here, so not mad about that. But that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff. More puppies. Who's a puppy? No puppies here? You're a puppy. You want to see more of this girl? Oh, show them your face. Say hi. Want to say hi? Oh goodness, we're coming on up. She thinks she's a lap dog. You're not a lap dog. All right. Okay, so if you want to see more of everybody here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.